Hello everybody, and welcome to today's video. This video is kind of just a bonus extra fun thing that we like to do, but as many of you know, on the first of every month we release a new paper crafting digital kit for you guys to enjoy. And of course this month we really had to do something super fun and unique, so we went with this classic gorgeous kit called Urban Essence, and it has the most beautiful fun deep green with these kind of pops of, it's almost, I want to say, like a bluish green color, and just the most gorgeous elements. And you'll see a little bit of floral patterns, a little bit more of the maybe what we might call masculine patterns. And it's fun because you can lean into whatever you want, so you can go with a mix of all the patterns or whatever you want. But the kit is gorgeous and we're gonna have a ton of fun with it. But the extra thing that we like to do for fun around here is release some matching stickers, because stickers are always just so much fun to use and to play with. So we just have this as an extra option for you guys, and this video is just showing you this month's stickers. So I will link that in the description of this video for you guys to go check out if you would like to. But I want to just give you some close-ups on this month's stickers. There are 5 different designs, and when you place an order you will receive 2 of each design. So a total of 10 sheets. And okay, these I have to say are my favorite to use because they just work so wonderfully on any project, anytime, and they're just perfect. These are like faux coffee stained or ink splatters type of a thing. Perfect. Then these vintage cards. These are restored from real vintage images. And then this is what we call our washi tape sampler, and these are always fun because you don't have to order, let's see, how many are there? You don't have to order 8 different sheets of washi tape or rolls of washi tape. It's just fun because you get a little bit of a sample and in just a small form. So again, real quick, washi tape, these gorgeous cars, these ink splatters, these kind of blank labels. Some of them are blank, some of them have like more of the like a pattern behind, and these are just really cute and so fun to use in journals. And then these black and white butterflies. Butterflies are always a classic. So if you guys are interested, again, in either the digital kit or the stickers, I'll have that linked in the description of this video for you guys. It's just fun. It's fun. It's just a fun hobby. Someone asked me, like, why do you junk journal? What's the point of it? Like, I see that it's pretty, but what's the point? And truthfully, I just think from what I've heard from you guys, the most common answer to that is just like, it's a hobby. It's something that brings you joy. And it doesn't always have to have like a purpose, I guess. If it brings you joy, then that is enough. So if this is something you'd be interested in, then totally give it a look. And yeah, we have some really fun videos coming the rest of this month, and we are excited to show you guys all of that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in our next one. Goodbye.